Hello, my friends. Good morning. Happy Thinking Thursday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fabulous day. It is time for my favorite part of the day. It's time for the math question of the day. Yeah. So today's math question of the day, we're going to jump right into it. It's actually the last math question we'll do for this module, for Module 5, talking about teen numbers and place value. So that's really exciting. I'm excited about that because then we'll have just enough time to briefly review our shapes before the end of the school year. So that's exciting. But before we jump into our last math question of the day for module number 5, we're going to talk about yesterday's math question. So yesterday you had to find the mistake in the count sequence and then you had to write the correct number. So I'm going to start with this one. We've got 20, 21, 22, and then what do you notice about this number? This should be 23, but what's wrong with it? We've got the 3 in the front, and if we have the 3 in the front, it's no longer 23, it's now 32. So that's kind of tricky. So I'm going to cross that out and write 23 up top. So let's double check. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Because remember, this number here is for the tens, and 30 is 3 tens, and then this number here is for the ones. So this would be 3 tens and 2 ones. But what we want is 2 tens and 3 ones. My 2 kind of looks like a Z. I apologize. So now we're going to come down here. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 39. Does 39 come after 35? Now, so we need to cross that out. We're going to write a 3 for the 3 tens that are in 30. And then the ones that should come next, what comes after 5? A 6. So it should be 3 tens and 6 ones. That's what we should have. Not too hard. This next math question might be kind of tricky, but I think you guys can do it. And I'm going to kind of give you some hints for how to make this easy. So you're going to count up all of these dots and write the number that you see. So you can write the number up here that you see. Then you're going to draw one more and then write the new number. So this is to see if, one, we can correctly write a number that is higher than our tens and our teen numbers, if we can take what we know about tens and place value and apply it to this bigger number. And then also if we can figure out where to write the ones if we have an understanding of that. So this is just kind of checking to see if we can take what we've been learning in Module 5 about teen numbers and place value and groups of 10 and where that goes when you write the number and apply it to a bigger number. So my hint for you is to look at the groups of 10 and then write down how many groups of 10 you have, because that's going to be your first number when we read it in the number. And then you write down how many ones that you have all by themselves. So right here we've got group of 10, a group of 10, and then ones by themselves. So group of 10, count up how many groups of 10 you have, write down that number, and then write down the number of ones that you have, okay? It's kind of like when we were doing calendar in the classroom and we would have, our 100th like big block thing, and then we had our 10 sticks, and then we had our little 1 cubes, and then we would sometimes swap out the 10 sticks. Once we got to 100th day, we swapped out the 10 sticks for 1 giant 100 cube. When we would get 10 ones, then we would swap out all the 10 ones for 1 big 10 stick, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to show this again. Count the group of 10 and write down the number of 10s that you have. So a group here and a group here. And then count up all of the ones and write that down next. So 10s first, and then your ones, okay? I think you guys can do it. It's our last question about place value. I'm really excited. I'm glad that we got through Module 5. We did skip like 1 or 2 lessons, but I think it's okay because they kind of went together. All right, my friends, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful, fabulous day. I hope you have fun with the math question of the day. I hope it's not too tricky. I hope you follow my advice and count up your groups of 10. And then tomorrow we'll have some math questions about shapes. It'll be pretty exciting. I miss you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!